Hi everyone, let's talk about the situation of a newborn child in an environment that is extremely alien to him. So, are you parents really ready to welcome your newborn into the world? I'm sure you'll be mentally ready to provide the material needs along with your unlimited, unconditional love for your child to be born or who already is a newborn. But my question here is, what do you mean really by a paternal love? So let's leave the question aside for a while. Let's take into account of the children in our surroundings, could be in your neighborhood, your nephew, your niece, any means you know. So we might see some children throw tantrums and there always a conflict between the adult and the child. Here I mean the parents to be the adult in the relationship. So, the reason behind this could be the misunderstanding between the two, obviously. Let's not talk about the reasons, but let's hop back to the original question. What do we mean by paternal love? By love, it could be either materialistic love we want to provide to the child or the paternal love as parents we have towards our children. So I have consolidated few points. I could list them into unconditional love for your child. You want the best for them. You want your child to be talented, street smart, brilliant, helpful, calm, collected kind of a person. And also, you want your child to have good food, 3 meals a day, nourishment for their physical health, and so on. But do we know, apart from the physical nourishment the child needs, there is also a psychic nourishment, a development required for his face before he is 6 years of age? Yes, the conflicts which we were discussing earlier, when examined, show their roots to the lack of this psychic development. Lack of psychic development may happen in any levels of the child's growth before he attains 6 years of age.